Hindi magkamayaw ang fans ng Toronto Blue Jays matapos maipanalo ang high-stakes na Game 7 laban sa Seattle Mariners. At sa unang pagkakataon mula 1993, pasok ang kupunan sa World Series. May report si Teresa Redula.
Nangunguna ng 2 puntos ang Seattle Mariners sa Game 7 Lunes, pero sa 7th inning.
And a swing and a fly ball to left field. Back goes Arozarena. She's gone!
Tinamaan ni George Springer ang 3-run home run at nabigyan ng Toronto Blue Jays ng kanilang kauna-unahang lead sa high-stakes game. At sa huling pitch ni Jeff Hoffman.
He got him!
Emosyonal na mga sandali hindi lamang para sa team, kundi pati na rin sa mga fans.
They haven't been to the World Series since 1993. This will be a first time for a lot of people, and this will be a lot for a lot of young fans who never got to experience the World Series euphoria of '93. And recent memory will only prove na they were in the playoffs in 2020, 2022, 2023, and even those sandali lang. First round exits. In fact, they had never won a postseason game since 2016 until this year.
Ang excitement ramdam din hanggang Martes, mahabang pila sa Jays Shop sa pag-asang makabili ng merch na minarkahan ang tagumpay na ito.
Nakuha ko yung World Series hat, the last one.
So I got a couple of the World Series hats. Couple World Series hats here. I've got the Blue Jays postseason one, and then I've also got the hoodie as well.
We have the momentum. I mean, we're carrying it over. The Dodgers probably are still favored because they're the defending champions. They have a really good built lineup. They have the experience. They entered their season, their series earlier than usual. Pwede bang kalawangin sila? Maaari. Tayo naman, sure, humaba yung series natin, but we kept that momentum. And we're carrying that momentum sa Biyernes, pagsimula ng Game 1. Ano? The other thing working for us is healthy na ang ating rotation. Isa pang magandang storyline, is it'll be the first time that we'll be facing Teoscar Hernandez, our former Blue Jay, who's now in the Los Angeles Dodgers roster. One final storyline is the Los Angeles Dodgers fans will never forget that it was George Springer when he was a member of the Houston Astros who beat them in the 2017 World Series.
Nakiisa rin sa mga pagdiriwang ang Canadian Prime Minister, Ontario Premier at alkalde ng syudad. Gaganapin ang Game 1 ng Best of 7 World Series laban sa Los Angeles Dodgers sa darating na Biyernes. Home field advantage para sa Blue Jays. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.